into ezitrendayo bathi abanye abantu bazama ukumbiza ukuthi uyi-rapist. Abanye bathi kunama case aqeda ukuvela lapha online ukuthi khona umuntu wathi umhlwengulile. Kwenzakalani ngoba ngizwe ngaze bathi futhi bathi uboshiwe bathi usejele bathi kune case eyenzakalayo kwenzakalani?
You know, Spoon, I actually don't want to talk about this, but the honest truth is, if he needs to be punished for that. He needs to be arrested. And let me tell you one thing, as South Africa, umthetho fair to everyone. Umthetho fair to bantu besifazane, fair to amadoda. So if there is such allegations, I'm a detective and even higher ones, they need to do a proper investigation whereby balance of probabilities needs to apply. It needs to apply on my side, it needs to apply aside in Legacies. So maybe to brief you, inking as who engiyenza given figure to that stage, it's about you. Who is who? I'll blame you. Okay, so ngizile podcast yakho. I think last month la ngafika makhuluma khona MK and stuff. And I even told people, guys, I have a problem with my Instagram. So I need umuntu ozokwazi ukungibuyisela back Instagram was hacked. People kept on sending me messages. Even now, I'm still scared. The honest truth is, from Cape Town. What is on say? I was excited and wow. Because Bongeng Batrita with those are professional people. Right, Nondomazana chatter on WhatsApp. And Giumfan Guinness. I'm sorry, I know my wife Bonke, they are watching now. But luckily I ended up telling them the truth because it will always come out the truth.
What is the truth?
The truth is standanile no sis. Sipine standana ngiso ngumjida. Ma umjida you respect umsebenzi wakho angifuna kwipolitiki I make sure with kwipolitiki when it comes to MK I don't have a girl because you push politics lapha but lapana ngithandana no sis because sis uthe I'm coming from a Cape Town. She's far. So whatever that you do makuthiwa uyantshontsha indoda respect abantu abaseduze so that they can respect you. Ngantshontsha nami umuntu olekude.
So I understand usho kanjani ngoba uthe lo muntu uze because atucela ukuthi athi yana uzokunceda.
Yes.
Ukuthi ngoba uhackiwe uzokutholela back Instagram account yakho. Yes. So usho kanjani naso ukuthi ngicine senithandana so uyintshontshe emaceleni. Uthena so ukuthi wabona ukuthi man ngathi lo sisi muhle.
Okay.
Singahlanganisa iprofessionalism nomjolo noma kwenzakaleni.
Okay, listen. Usisi uthe ngiyavolunteer mina ngizokwenzela. Was introducer kimi mina ngiyi web designer. Wazisha talking high profile ngaye. Yabo like we every day we are talking. No sis, we are talking. We are check unjani right nje we are talking. So I ended up like wow sis. Send pictures. Yabo siyakhuluma nje. Send deep pictures. We talking. Yabo okay. Athena usisi I had to book a flight for usisi. Bukela usisi. Uyabuya ngala eJoburg. One of my houses Santin makafika right ngibhizi mina mangifika usisi ngithola usisi hey usegoke kuthiwa yini see through night dress lingerie goke yona
ukufika eqala yena
yes ufika
uvule lo bani umnyango
ulambe ibodyguard yami
okay
bodyguard yami thatha yam drop sisi nayo indlu umuzi awuhlale nje umuzi the mansion house omuhle omkhulu nje usisi wafika mbeka khona sisi this is the house mina I can't stay here ngizohamba ambeka lapho sisi na uyabona ish la sisi shoot besethi ngizobomakoti la umuzo ngaka right ngifike mangifika how are you good as hakane sharp ngimthola vele segqoke uhot yabo eish mangithi sisi ngaphansi akagqokanga
kodwa nawo nesibindi umuntu sekangena emzini wakho ungakazi uhlangane naye empilweni yakho.
Okay sibu fanele uvume mawumuntu that is the weakest point of a male noma us yabantu besilisa umuntu wesifazane. Remember I don't drink alcohol. I don't go parties. Me ni sports sam umuntu wesifazane. So I believe that way. So right sisimafika eyangibamba isithudla situfuza
fresh
ayingizosho mfethu fresh but yeah compared to my wife ngeke mfethu nabo mase bengisola bengithethisa manje impela wenzani awuzobona ukuthi hayi out of 10 hayi yena ngizomnika 2 abantu bami yabo like isithudla bona isitufuza sisi angibambe yabo kunamabele amakhulu angiphushele kusofa enyawo phansi
sasuke ebhaleni azange ngisaxoxa ngento zama hacking.
I need to be honest
ngento zama Instagram angisaxoxi ngakho konke
wethu. I must be honest kuwe manje angithi kumele ngitshele wena iqiniso ayangibamba ba kusofa mangiya kusofa kuthi engibone namtayi la ngeke la mangiya kusofa phansi ngikoka ishort ye night yabo phansi yonke into yidlala yabo mangithi ngiyathi ngiyafaka isidudla sila ibele lingaka baba ay mangithi ngiyathi ay akakabi ready shuthi ngisheshisile uphezulu kwami
now to fire in
phela obvious ushaf
okay
ay manje inkinga amathanga mkhulu kakhulu yabo mangithi ngiyathi dry engithi mina ngcono siye phansi ay siye phansi ku floor sisendlini sisodwa
plastic ulphethe
hayi akho plastic
akuna condom lo
iqiniso angifani ngikhuluma iqiniso mangithi sithi siphansi lapha ngithi ngiyazama lutho shuthi nami kade ngikhala yabo gcine ngichama emathangeni la ngizama ukufaka sokume sithi siyebhedeni manje sithi masithi siyebhedeni lapha hey mangithi hayi man lo muntu uyableeda ngithi no man uyableeda athi bengingabona gijima ebathroom maye bathroom lapha ethi ngiyableeda avele enze njani afake ipad abuye embedeni athi no bengingaboni but I think into ezodlula nje manje I sure okay kesha ngithi mina you know what ngiyakwazi ukuthi silale because mina ngisebenzisa izinto zesintu so ngeke ngikwazi ukulala nomuntu obleeda okay sharp athi uzoqhubeka lungise my Instagram. I remember asking her a question ngithi kuye how come angithi yabona moya indoda usuchamile ingqondo yaqala ibu how come uzile but you're not carrying a laptop because you are here to fix my Instagram laptop
ngicela ukudisturb abutwana nawuthi uyindoda uchamile ingqondo yaqala yabuya uchame ungakayifaki uchamela amathangeni kodwa zange uyifake
yes ukhumbula ukuthi netshitshi liyakwazi ukumitha bengafakanga ngithiwa kusoma ngisemathangeni makhulu ngisazama ukufaka kade phela shukashukane phezulu kwami kusofa so I'm feeling the pain kusofa ngithi mina ngcono siye phansi manje mkhulu yabo so yes emathangeni
okay
so shukuthi bese
zange uyifake
no
okay
bese ngithi mina you know what tell me if laptop yakho because you are here to fix my Instagram I don't know asho nje story ngikhohliwe akhuluma into eyiningi athi ngivula ifoni yami anginaki mina ngivula ifoni yami nje kamnandi futhi ngimniki yayipress uyangena uyapress kanti angazi ukuthi uya I think uthatha information from here uyifaka kweyakhe phone yonke into ahambe makahambe kuseni ngimnike 3000 rand sihambe ngimflyisa abuyele emuva
the following day
yes abuyele emuva
so ziyona niyana lala ubusuku bonke
yes
ebusuku nanindela umenzanga lutho
no
okay
akwenzanga lutho business phone yami
empedeni owodwa
yes business phone yami mina ngilele business phone mina I didn't think ikhonta yenza yembi I thought she's busy with my Instagram and with business phone ayabuyele emuva but makabuyele emuva kuphele 3 weeks kuthi makuphela 3 weeks abuyele kimi athi kimi I think I didn't get my periods I pray ukuthi ngiwathole maybe I'm pregnant ngithi mina ama morning after thinking emqondo nami netshitshi liyamithi ngithi ama morning after why athi you have to take them 72 hours ngakapheli but now 72 hours usiphelile and why you only telling me today is 3 weeks ngithi mina isentence eyi1 ngibhalile ngithe morning after ngase ngithi comma besides we didn't do anything. I said you are bleeding. So what for? How come you saying you might be pregnant? Akale, alwe. Nkhohle, yabo mayemba. Khohle futhi mina. After 2 days, or at you taking advantage of girls, what. After 2 days, abuye. I've got a solution ukuthi silungise Instagram wakho. Whatever code engena lapho kuwe, please accept. I did the same thing.
Angasaqhubeki ngendaba yokuthi ucabanga ukuthi pregnant.
Yes, uyekile leyo.
Sekabuyela ku Instagram manje.
Yes. Ifoni yami.
Hayi noqhubeka yami le enye.
Abuyele ku Instagram. Athi no, nginendlela entsha. Ngithi okay ithi. Athi whatever code efika lapho please accept. Awuna ngempela. Mayiqhamuka icode ngiya accept ngiyamnika athi ngimniki. Angiboni mina ukuthi usefuna manje ukuthatha yonke into Facebook, email wami, email yami, usiyakwazi ukuread ama email. Ngizobona late around 3 p.m. Ngibone ethi yena accept la. Mangithi ithi once you click this one, you will no longer have access to your WhatsApp. Meaning that was the last one. Magathi ngeke ngisathola WhatsApp wami uyakuyi.
Uqala kulezi ezinye. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp.
Yonke lento ama code manje yonke into ngikicka out manje. What's going on la? Athi no ngifuna ukulinka yonke into. Hayi okay sharp. Ngiyangale. Ayisisuke kwethu. Ithi mayisuka lapho abo 6-7 ngene call.
Ntambama
abo 7. Who's calling now? My wife. Yabo. Mina ukhumbula ukuthi I know ukuthi sisi makangitshela sihlangana wathi usebenza kwi this game what online gambling thing. Even my guy where IT na busy was ukuthi usebenza this gambling thing. Ayusisi manje kungene I call from my wife, first wife Mazulu. Athi ubani uzinhle. Ngithi uzinhle ngumjida phela nami ngiyaphi uzinhle angimazi. Athi be honest. Sengikhulume naye over 1 hour. Uyazi benithandana umflyisile wayekho ish. Cabanga ngengane. Ish umshado wami Jesu. Ngithi no vele ngikhuluma iqiniso. No ukhona kanje ngithi kusenjalo. Uvele kungene imessage ku Facebook wami. You are a rapist, you take advantage of girls, you are a fake herbalist.
Ubani ubhala kanjalo?
Uyena ngithi remember she has the access now to my Facebook page, has the access to my Facebook, the personal page, she has the access to my emails, YouTube, yonke. Ngithi makusenjalo ngisakhuluma noma wife ngithi mama ngicela wehlisa umoya manje we'll talk.
So umebhala zonke lezo zinto uzibhala as if uwe.
Yes.
So uma ngabe mina ngikufollow ku social media uma ngibheke account yakho
uzobona ngathi imi
ubhala lokho ukuthi I'm a rapist nana.
Yeah, makusenjalo
basekaphethe ama passwords.
Yes, makusenjalo kapheli ne-hour. Ne 30 minutes kusenjalo avela ngene live. Ufake the white cloth la avele kanje. Athi mayisaqale ukukhuluma I think 1 minute ngapheli bamkhathi bangena abafana be-IT bami.
Buvelile ubuso bakhe
ushaya
isikamzekezeke.
Yes, ushaya isikamzekezeke ngingamazi nawe ukuthi ubani umzekezeke but I'm suspecting you. All right. I lokuzana. I cut you out. Yeah. I cut you out. Maybe cut out labafana aside. Remember my makusenjalo she's threatening me WhatsApp. Ngibona ukuthi okay now it's a fight. I'm a rapist, fake herbalist. Take advantage of girls. Oh, what's going on la? Remember sikaze silo lo muntu. The last conversation esibenayo beyingabo 4:30 la afune ukuthatha WhatsApp wami khona. Eish bethu ngithi mina ngenze njani? Hambe ngiyovula icase. Fika ngivula icase, register icase yonke into criminal nje urangazi what.
Uvula kuphi case le noma ngaphi khona?
No bengisekhona ngivule Santini. Ngivule case registered ukuthi uyangiharasa because in akaqedanga. While in the police station arrest, kusasa uzoboshwa. Amaphoyisa you are high profile in. Yabo mfowethu le yanto sibu if I was a weak person. Ikuthi ke I'm not weak. Ngidlulile into ezinzima. Ngitshele into eyi1. One thing engitshele yona ukuthi mina ngidlulile into ezinzima. This bridge, it's a small bridge. If I must be arrested for this, I must be. But the honest truth, ngiyayazi mina. Ibhlungu lento eyenzeke kimi sibu and angene social media I draw my private part or she spoke about on social media about ukuthi nayo private party kaKhethelezi ne Johnson Oil i-Johnson Oil ingenile endlini.
ubhale igwayigwayi yakho
Yeah.
udroshile
Yawayidraw ne-Johnson Oil baby oil. I-baby oil isebenzile. Yazi isebenze kuphi? Remember malaphezu kwami uyadry and ngizwa ubuhlungu usheshe wafika ngizwa ubuhlungu so mina bese ngithatha i-oil ngiyeke ubuhlungu ngithatha i-oil ngifake i-oil.
ufuna ukuthi kushelela
Yes, yabona. I think iyo futhi ngenze ngashesha ngachama
Ujivirika.
bekusheleleka emathangeni. So mfethu ibhlungu leyanto because njengamanje mayiyopostwa by the way ihambe icase ngiregister icase yami naye hamba uvule yakhe. Okay, well then I started doing my own investigation about ukuthi